I'm happy that as the mighty boys, Ringlega Mahawa 2014, June 29, decided to return to Stella in Afara and we had a nice time there. This it was really a celebration of the Mass. But I won't tell you what to be with the Parallel. Because as long as I was in church, Rekola, he was also there. The Tabisha Sela, as a Christian who watches, Toba Masoranyane, Rukumaru Mambuni, then Rajana Mauta Sevas. Crowd that they are part of our printer. Then I go Kiro, we were supported by Mawarui. Then I call the mighty boys. Marona di Turiana, Maharamo. So, Nakala, what you monkey faces. Because that's how we address each other as monkey face. Now, what do we want to say about saying really can do? Right here in Clever, because never got an this time they got over the Raina, and I got a so now I the very so far as we can be arrayed. You are just going to do us a favor. You throw out here at the whole group and I'll keep you. And another only thing is the guy up here fella. So we have to plead with them already. Rakupela man, this was really or Manaposha Habla. But later on, the people were in Zapanel. While we are saying to Mohai, Mahota really campaign. Whatever campaign, one of the more petitions. They give you a thing, you work around that thing, it's like a chuniale. So we were lucky enough that I said, I would play a certain song. Then we let it open up at position 2. Position 1 is Sarangua MLP. But when we said position 1, there was nobody who was MLP. Then Farah said, oh no, I'm going to manage it. They now position 2, it's a position 1. But they are position 1, but it's a 2. So somebody else was saying, whatever for it, you have to walk. So what do you have? Yava and Kumu. Proof that the name of the celebrate, the big truth. So then what do you have? So for a minute, I was at the range. It was going to start here. And the guys looking every so every time trophy here, then go be here. For this year, there's no winner. And I will go on, okay, no problem. Later on, issue, Atamorena atoka tufikiu. Atleude lempe. But now somebody has fired everyone, but what was true? Yakuma. So you can be feliz, our transporting link will be so. And those guys are ready to get through. So we have to let go and try to lead them. Because they're going to be our so I know the law and the which you clear and okay. Navella Kamu. The next Tapora Tasa, but I read it. Fortunately, I have a prayer with people in your Mazamani. But now, what hero? No one can be. Can be the leader of the Sama. So, short of Tumwa. Yawa Brana Mufane. You are never guy. This is a good one. Only to find our dear father, always come with us up. I need to go to the and then he was our left bed. So I should CYM. And the CYM, they were indeed our daily bread. Because there was a wire. So one time when they came through it, they are hard. So Tamaka Putri, Sheila, our masala, our masala. So one key face I should have was a then the Tamaha 150 more. They have guidance. So one key face I so when I got a salad, you know what okay, sure. So when we reach alone, and we are not talking about it. So, that's how we so, don't go or almost aside Mazama. So, the Malay fellow who we are now, we want to take more. Then, Mata Kashi is in board. Não vai ser negativo para ninguém. A chava-feira, o Hademan veio. Then, o que eu vou fazer? Depois, o ano para existir, a laíto por uma existir se feira, quando o ele CDESF ou DTA. So, o que eu vou fazer like that? Very divided. Después de reinar para ver, en el lugar o Clemente, yo Christian Booth. But being divided like that, paralelo, who's available at R2021, because I'm not at that time, God's unity is strength. And then now here because our generation, cooperative move, reproduced parallel. We have taken much from around. The secretary of the church was also in our generation. And then how about the Ampor father? Open up the number of chibhele kuperetsela esona because nakwemne kumikhahlongwa natsiyashoneka. But all in all, I'm happy that I've worked for Anel and I've learned a lot from you and all of us and we hope the family will take control to affect our land. Kule nakanya kisale fast. Over ke la tsamo. Absolutely super.
Recording. I've just continued.
Terima kasih Pak Dr. Melissa Mustafa, Vice President of the Party, datang di Sakala.